Well, greetings. It's the weekend, and this is your update. And it's not just any weekend, it is also Christmas. Hanukkah's about to end, Kwanzaa's about to start, the year is about to end. I mean, everything is happening all at once, including snow. If you got caught up in that, like most of the country did, you had the negative Fahrenheit temperatures and snow to go with it. So hopefully, you've been able to stay warm and spend time with those that you love and really enjoying this true holiday season. I always call this Christmahana Kwanzaa because everything's all aligning at once, and it really is this time. So great time of year, and I hope you're enjoying it. Over on the podcasting store, we did a short for the live recording that we did with Julie Davila for her clinic back over at Mountain View High School. And I'm not going to play a clip from that, but the QR code is there that will take you to that short. And what it's outlining is the setup that we used for stereo recording into the Zoom F3. So if you haven't seen that yet, if you're wondering how we did it, check that out. It's less than 30 seconds, and you'll have a great idea as to what we did. Then over on the drums west side of things, Peter did a video, which is the 5 rudiments that every drummer needs. Now, a lot of drummers hear rudiments and think, oh, it's boring. No, it's not. These are the things that are the foundations of everything in drumming. And these were Peter's top 5 that you really need to master. So check out the short that came from that video.
All right, so some quick rudiments. Single stroke roll. Double stroke roll. Paradiddle. Flam. And the buzz roll.
So check out that short, check out the longer video. They're both over on the Drums West YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen that yet, you really need to see that. Peter did a great job breaking all that stuff down. Then the podcasting store. A problem that I've been trying to master, and if you've been watching my videos, you can see this, and I'm going to be incorporating this into it. D Studios Media came up with this really short video showing how to color match one clip to another. Because what happens is I use multiple cameras and they all have their own internal settings and nuances, and I really want that footage to match as much as possible. And D Studios Media has a very quick tutorial on how to do this in DaVinci Resolve. It's I think less than 4 minutes long, maybe it's even less than 3 minutes long. But here is a clip from that video, and follow that QR code to see the full-length one that gives you kind of the guts of how to do this color match.
All right, so I've got my 2 clips. I'm going to go into the color page in DaVinci. And now what you want to do is you want to select the clip you want to match to. So notice that one is now the one that has a little red circle around it. I'm going to control click on both of them so that they're both now in selected. All you want to do is right click and select the option of shot match to this clip. And you know the one that is being adjusted because it has the little rainbow color ring around the numbering. So when I click on it, you can see it looks much more like that first one.
And then over on the Podcasting Store Medium page, we did a essay rewind this time. And this was one from last year with the Philadelphia Orchestra and their principal librarian, Nicole Jordan. Santa was sick with COVID, and she got called in to play Santa, which she hammed it up and did a great job with that. There were video clips and things like that on there. And I thought that was an essay that obviously this time of year, bears repeating. We do everything that we can, whatever our job is, to make sure that everybody enjoys the holiday season and really feels the warmth and the love. And she went above and beyond. And if you haven't seen that essay, check it out. The QR code is right there. I thought it was a really good read, and I thought it was a really great story. So that's your update. Thank you so much for watching, as always. Here's to a great 2022 and an even better 2023. Like, share, subscribe, check out the other videos in the channel, and we will catch up with you next time.
If you enjoyed the Weekend Update, do me a favor and follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channels, or visit our websites. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company and thepodcastingstore.com. Thanks for listening.